I'm Alexander from René Paris. Today I'm going to share with you some really exciting stuff. The new launch for the Alexander 2023 collection is here. It's been in the works for over a year. We've had some amazing things on the table. New things that have never been seen for Alexander Couture before, and some for René Paris. We have not one, but two high heat toppers. Yes, high heat toppers. I know, the world's been going nuts for toppers. Topper market has increased exponentially because of the stress of COVID, the stress of life. Just in general, hair loss is much bigger than it ever was. So toppers are huge. And now people are wearing toppers for things like colour pop. You know, some ladies out there don't want to have their colour done every 6 weeks. So sometimes they might wear a topper just to give a bit of thickness or a little bit of colour. So I'll go into that in a moment. We also have some human hair. The human hair market is huge. So I have some ready to wear human hair for you. But let's first get started with this high heat heroine. Yep, this is Brooklyn. Brooklyn is a high heat style and she is amazing. Every girl who has wavy hair at some point wants this stunning, beautiful beach wave, which we have in Brooklyn. I'm showcasing Brooklyn today in a new colour. This colour is Cinder Toffee. Cinder Toffee is only available in the Alexander Couture Collection and is available in the toppers and also in this beautiful wig, Brooklyn. Now with Brooklyn being a high heat style, we can rework Brooklyn. We can go with a straighter look one day, a curlier look another day, a wavier look another day. So Brooklyn really can be as individual as you are. She has a lace front and a lace part. And although we have all this hair, she's lightweight and has a lot of movement. So like I said, this is a new colour. This is Cinder Toffee. And I have a couple of other new colours as well to show you. I have two new greys. And the greys are called an MR. So this one is Silver Brown MR. No, it doesn't mean Mr. Silver Brown, although I have silver brown hair myself. It is micro root. So when I show you the root, it's a much smaller root than usual, so it becomes more like a shadow. So I also have Salt and Pepper MR, which is very much a salt pepper kind of colour. So I'm just going to hold the two greys in Brooklyn together so you can see those two different shades. And both of these colours come in the toppers also. But for Brooklyn and Brooklyn only, we have a super exciting colour. We take everything you guys tell us over the years very seriously. Your feedback helps us when we are designing to what we're going to come out with. And what has been a big request has been a really nice red, a really nice vibrant red. We have a lot of reds at René Paris, but this is a first. We have the Henna Red R. Okay, so Henna Red R, she has the little regrowth. The regrowth root is the shade of coffee bean. And then we have that amazing, gorgeous red. But what we did is we took the extreme shine off this and that really initial pinch of bright red, which can sometimes make reds look a bit costumey. So this is Henna Red R, and this, ladies and gentlemen, is the new style in the Alexander Couture Collection. This is Brooklyn. So now moving on to Harriet. Harriet is our new human hair bomb, and she is ready to wear human hair. What do I mean by ready to wear human hair? Well, at René Paris, we have a lot of ready to wear wigs. They are out the box and ready to go, and Harriet is no different. We spent months and months working on brilliant and like never seen before packing techniques, which will make Harriet, when she comes directly out of the box, give you this beautiful classic shape. Now Harriet is a classically cut bob. So if you are somebody out there that really wants that human hair feel, but you don't necessarily want to have the human hair issues, so you're straightening it all the time, you're curling it all the time, Harriet really is one for you because this length is to die for. It's very easy to work with. The one length cut is just stunning. Now she is on a lace front and a lace part. So we have a lace part from the centre and we have a lace front running through. The lace part itself is approximately 2 fingers width. So if you wanted, you've got some movement for the parting, should you want to take it slightly off centre either way. So here is the back of Harriet's. As you can see, just wanting to show you that gorgeous cut. And this colour, I know people are probably saying, what colour is that? This colour is strawberry blonde, which is amazing. You know, very, very lovely. Really, really nice, gorgeous colour, lovely bit of warmth, and all of those really nice lowlights and highlights running throughout the shade. So I also thought I would show Harriet in another couple of colours. So here is Harriet in Summer Blonde, which is just amazing, looks absolutely gorgeous. I also wanted to show you Harriet in this colour. So this is a red, okay, and look at those highlights in there. That's amazing, so hard to get this with human hair. This is the colour Autumn Teak. And to show you another shade, this one is a slightly rooted colour. Okay, this is a slightly rooted colour. This is Sandy Blonde R. So a very nice little regrowth blends through into that gorgeous sandy blonde shade. Here, ladies and gentlemen, is Harriet in the Alexander Couture Collection. This is in the colour Strawberry Blonde. And I think she just looks amazing. Okay, so I want to show you now the high heat toppers. So first I'm going to show you the high heat straight topper. So here it is. So I thought I'd leave Harriet on our head a little bit, just so I can kind of show you exactly how this is. So here's the topper. Now we have a lace part, which has 2 fingers distance here with me, a bit more. So I've got movement to move the parting. Also we have 3 large clips. This is the same on both toppers. Clips that are brand new, beautiful, spaced out clips, so they're not going to create any extra hair loss. We do have a band here, a very thin band. Should you want to put a bit of glue or tape on that, you could. Not necessary, but you could. Now, this is what you call an integration unit. So these are half, you know, like half wigs, if you like. So it's a topper. So what it can do, so if you're somebody out there that lives in somewhere really hot, and you know, you're finding wearing wigs at the moment, might be a little bit hot. Some clients are just wearing the toppers with a lot more coverage. They're finding that works for them. So I'm just going to put this topper on the wig Harriet. So just put a couple of those clips in, and it just enables you to really see how that sits. So just to sit her over the top. And the nice thing is here with the difference in the colour underneath, is you can see exactly how this is going to sit. Now, of course, you are going to colour match with your own bio hair when you're wearing a topper, but this just gives you a really good indication onto where that's sitting. Now, this is the colour Dark Chocolate. You can see that the bands, side with curved bands, look great there. And just to take her off the stand a little bit so we can see how that sits. You can see that the hair's underneath. So yes, we know that you'd go for a bit more of a blonde. Sorry, a bit more of a blend with your natural and not so much a blonde, but that is the straight high heat topper. So she looks great. And here she is in the colour Salt and Pepper MR. So an MR for the micro roots again. There's a Salt and Pepper MR. Lovely curtained bands. And like I said before, some people are now using toppers instead of actually having their hair cut. You know, people are using toppers for colour placement. I mean, I'll just put that topper over the top of that one. And you see how you get, you know, if your hair was naturally dark, you could put a grey on there or a blonde and have like colour blocking techniques, which look really cool. So this one is the high heat mid straight topper, which looks amazing. I'm now going to show you the high heat mid wavy topper. I'm going to show you in a few different colours. So here I have melted marshmallow, I have creamy toffee, which looks amazing, and I have her also in silver frost. So, and she also comes in the new greys as well. So these just look great. So I'm going to show in melted marshmallow right now. Melted marshmallow is one of our very, very, very popular, beautiful colours. And you know, I had this out at home the other day, and my wife actually put this on, and she was like, you know what, I'd actually wear this, I'd wear this out. So I wouldn't let her because it's not launched yet. But she's dying to wear this out as a bob, and she has blonde hair. So it was interesting because by her trying this on, it made her think what she might want to do with the colour next. So sometimes toppers are really good, a good way of giving you an indication onto what colour you want by using its colour placement. So this is the high heat mid wavy topper. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen, that looks gorgeous. Got the lace front. You can integrate your own hair into the sides, which a lot of people do with toppers. With this topper itself, we have a lace part. So we've got 2 fingers width on my fingers, which are quite big. So probably you ladies out there, maybe 3 fingers. So you've got that area where you can change the part. But of course, with toppers, and this is what I love, is toppers are so unique and everybody wears them a little bit different. But one thing that we were doing was, if you wanted a slight sideward difference with the topper, put it on to the side. See? So you can apply it to the side. And because it's layered and different lengths running throughout these toppers, by putting it a couple of inches to either side to give yourself a sideward part, won't affect the bottom base length too much. And if that is how you're going to wear it, you could always, you know, have it trimmed into your bio hair or not. You know, so that's how it looks onto a side, which I just think looks really, really something. Gorgeous. So there we have, that was the mid high heat wavy topper. I've also showed you the mid high heat straight topper. I've showed you Harriet, the new human hair bob, and Brooklyn, which Brooklyn is our lovely high heat beach wave style. Which one do you like? Which one will you try? You know, which is out there, which floats your boat? As we said, we want all of your feedback because that is so important when we're designing all of our ranges, not just the Alexander range. But for me, and today you've been watching me, Alexander, you've been looking at the new items in the Alexander Couture Collection. It's been a pleasure to share it with you. I look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.